Imagine a cosmic vacuum so powerful that not even light can escape. A region in space that bends time and warps reality itself. Could something like this really swallow the Earth? Today, we're diving into the mind-blowing world of black holes. Prepare to have your mind stretched across space and time. What is a black hole? At its simplest, a black hole is a point in space with gravity so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Think of it as a cosmic trap. Black holes form when massive stars collapse under their own weight. The core crushes itself into a tiny, infinitely dense point called a singularity. Surrounding the singularity is the event horizon, the point of no return. Anything that crosses this boundary is gone forever. Even light. That's why they appear black. How are black holes formed? Most black holes start with stars much larger than our Sun. When these stars run out of fuel, they can no longer fight gravity. The core collapses, and a supernova explosion blasts away the outer layers. What remains is either a neutron star or, if the star is massive enough, a black hole. Some black holes are small, just a few times the Sun's mass. Others are enormous, supermassive black holes, millions or even billions of times the Sun's mass. These giants sit at the center of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. Event horizon, the point of no return. The event horizon is like a cosmic one-way door. Once something crosses it, escape is impossible. Even light can't get out, which is why we can't see black holes directly. But we can observe their effects on nearby stars and gas. Matter falling into a black hole forms an accretion disk, heating up and emitting X-rays. That's how astronomers detect them, even if the black hole itself is invisible. Could a black hole swallow the Earth? Here's the big question: are black holes a threat to Earth? The short answer: almost certainly not. There's no black hole close enough to reach us. Even the nearest known black hole, V616 Monocerotis, is 3,000 light-years away. Gravity drops off with distance, so Earth is safe. Still, it's fun to imagine what would happen if one did appear nearby. The closer it gets, the more it would distort space, stretch objects, and eventually pull everything in. Time itself would slow down near the event horizon. 1 second for you could be years for someone far away. Time dilation. When time bends, black holes don't just trap matter, they warp time. This phenomenon is called time dilation, predicted by Einstein's theory of relativity. Close to a black hole, time moves slower relative to the outside universe. If you hovered near the event horizon for an hour, years could pass on Earth. It's a mind-bending concept, but scientists have measured time dilation near massive objects, like neutron stars. Black holes take it to the extreme. Spaghettification. Stretching into infinity. If you fell toward a black hole, you'd experience spaghettification. The gravitational pull at your feet would be much stronger than at your head. You'd stretch into a long, thin shape, like cosmic spaghetti. This isn't science fiction, it's real physics. For small black holes, this happens well before reaching the event horizon. For supermassive black holes, you could cross the event horizon without immediate stretching. But ultimately, the singularity wins. Types of black holes. Black holes come in 3 main types: stellar mass black holes, formed from collapsing stars, a few times the mass of the Sun. Intermediate black holes, rare, 100 to tens of thousands of solar masses. Supermassive black holes, millions or billions of times the Sun's mass, at the center of galaxies. Each behaves differently, but all share the same core feature: immense gravity and an event horizon. Some scientists even speculate about primordial black holes, tiny remnants from the early universe. Detecting the invisible. Since black holes don't emit light, how do we know they exist? We look at their effects on nearby objects. Stars orbiting an invisible mass? That's a clue. Gas swirling and heating up? Another clue. In 2019, the first ever image of a black hole was captured by the Event Horizon Telescope. A glowing ring around a dark shadow, the silhouette of the event horizon itself. It was proof that these cosmic monsters are real. Black holes in science fiction. Black holes have fascinated humans for decades. Movies like Interstellar explored time dilation and survival near a supermassive black hole. Science fiction often exaggerates their danger. No black hole is lurking near Earth ready to suck us up. But the ideas inspire curiosity and creativity. They remind us that the universe is stranger than fiction. Mind-blowing facts. Here are a few facts to blow your mind. A teaspoon of matter from a black hole would weigh billions of tons. The largest known black hole, ton 618, has a mass of 66 billion suns. Black holes can merge, creating gravitational waves detectable on Earth. Some black holes spin at near light speed, warping space and time around them. The universe is full of cosmic wonders we're only beginning to understand. Why black holes fascinate us? Black holes capture our imagination because they are at the limits of physics. They challenge our understanding of space, time, and reality. They make us ask big questions. What happens inside a black hole? Can we use them to explore the universe? Could they ever be harnessed for energy or travel? They're the ultimate cosmic mystery. Conclusion: so, could a black hole swallow the Earth? Not anytime soon. But thinking about black holes teaches us about the universe, gravity, and the strange ways reality works. They stretch our minds and inspire curiosity about the cosmos. Black holes remind us that there's still so much we don't know. And maybe, just maybe, the universe is even stranger than we can imagine. Call to action: if you enjoyed this journey into black holes, hit the like button and subscribe for more science mysteries. Tell me in the comments, which black hole fact blew your mind the most? And don't forget to share this video with friends who love space and the unexplained.